Okay everyone, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new, please do not forget to hit the red subscribe button. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll know each time I upload a video. You guys, today's video is going to be it's gonna be hard but I'm gonna take on the challenge. I'm going to be following one of the most talented MUA that I have seen out there, and that will be TailorMadeJane. Okay, wait a minute. I'm not gonna be following her eyeshadow because I'm nowhere near her level. Yeah, I'm going to be following her base, her foundation routine. I'm a little scared, but I wanted to try it out. I wanted to push myself. Why not? Her makeup always comes out so bomb, so gorgeous. She's absolutely stunning, you know. I cannot, like, she is like the GOAT. In the makeup beauty world, if you don't know who TailorMadeJane is, are you even part of the community? We do our base completely different. And so I'm gonna stop rambling and let me go ahead and start. Let's get started. Look at her. She's so gorgeous. Look at her.
What's up, my Tailor family? It's your girl TailorMadeJane here, and we are back with another slay today. Okay, so right now we're just going straight in with the foundation. I'm sorry, you guys.
Okay, so she starts off with the foundation. She's using some type of flat brush to apply her foundation. I use my Lancome, and then my concealer, I'm going to use my Bare Minerals concealer. Okay, and then I know she goes in with a lighter concealer, and I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape concealer for the lighter one, and that's going to be in deep. Okay, so let me start off with the foundation because sis was going fast. Okay, so I know she goes like right here, right here, right here, right here. Okay, I know she put some, okay, on her forehead. Okay, she put some around her nose. Okay, so she does this, and she does this. Does this, okay.
Under all over my face, and then I went in with the butterscotch concealer, and I'm just putting this under my eye a little.
Okay, so she's going a little fast, but it's okay. She's putting her light concealer underneath her eye, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape in deep, and I'm going to put it underneath my eye, and I'm going to put it I do not do my makeup like this, you guys. This is like the way the experts do their makeup. Not me. I'm not an expert. Okay.
My forehead, my nose, and
okay, so she puts it on her forehead. And she puts it on her nose. Forehead. Okay. She does that.
I'm using the Rimmel 6 base. I really don't have.
Okay, and then she uses another. She uses the P. Louise base, and she's putting it.
Left. I'm gonna go have to buy.
She's putting it in between her foundation and her concealer. I think I need to bring my concealer down. Then she takes the P. Louise base, and I think she said 6. I don't have that P. Louise base. I'm not going to be using the same products she uses. I'm just going to be following her techniques, if I hadn't already said that. I'm just going to use I have the P. Louise base, but I have it in 7. So I'm going to use my Bare Minerals concealer, and I'm going to put this in between because I think that's what she was doing.
Exactly.
Okay,
I'm telling them.
Exactly.
It works
girl.
as a great concealer shade.
Okay, so stop.
Now?
Okay, I typically also don't put anything on my forehead, you guys. I'm scared here. I'm very, very scared. Now she's going in with a darker concealer to kind of sculpt out her contour. I don't have that dark concealer. I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty. My Fenty Beauty in Espresso. It's my matchstick in Espresso, and I'm gonna put that as my contour.
I'm just going in with Cocoa to do a light contour around, you know, my face, and then I'm gonna go into my ColourPop 210 contour.
Okay. Yeah, I feel like I'm already messing this up. Okay, so she goes in with the lighter concealer underneath her contour. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh my god, I'm like so scared.
Sorry.
I have a smaller version of it, but I'm going to use it to start blending out like she's doing.
On top of the brush, like on top of the bristles. So I was getting it out. But this is just the Instapop cheek brush that I take to blend out the foundation because
Okay, now she's blending the contour out. Okay, hold on. But do I blend underneath out? Wait a minute. I guess I do. I don't know what I'm doing. Try to blend out my contour. Because I know she says she uses the same brush to blend out her contour. Which I appreciate because, hey, who got time to be washing all these brushes? Okay, she's blending out her nose contour. And she's using a different brush. I got large concealer brush. Okay.
So now I'm just taking my under eye, my setting brush by Real Technique, and I'm just going in and setting all over. And just blending out that butterscotch concealer from
Okay, so she's using her, and I have the Real Techniques brush, okay. She's using the Real Techniques brush to blend out her concealer, okay. Wait for me, Taylor, wait for me.
As y'all can see, I'm just going in and I'm just lightly, you know, tapping. I don't want to like push that product too crazy. And then I'm just setting with my Sacha Buttercup.
Okay, wait a minute. Don't say yet. Don't say yet. Don't say yet. Let me finish blending. Okay. Okay, now she's setting it with her Sacha Buttercup, and I believe she says her Sacha Buttercup Light. I don't have that. I'm gonna use my Beauty Bakery flour powder in oats, and it's translucent, and I'm gonna set it with that. And I'm using the same brush. I don't know what I'm doing at this point. I'm just setting, okay? And she's really setting underneath her eyes, and with me, the way I do my makeup, I don't set completely underneath my eyes, if that makes sense. I mean, I don't. Like, I'm all messy, you see that? And she keeps setting underneath her eyes. I'm like so messy. Okay, wait a minute. I have the Juvia's Place blush palette that she has, okay, and it has a red color in there. So I'm going to use the red color that's kind of she's just setting her contour. Okay. She powders her face a lot more than I do, you guys. That's probably a good thing, because I'm always looking like a grease bucket, you know? So she powders her face a lot more than I do.
Now I'm just taking a domed brush from It Cosmetics, and I'm just taking my Spiced Rum powder by Too Faced, and I'm just setting all over where I put the foundation without, you know, disrupting where I'm baking right now.
Okay, so she's using her Too Faced setting powder, all over powder. I don't have that. I'm going to use my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark Deepest, and I'm going to set. Now she's baking because she's about to go into her eyeshadow. I already completed my eyeshadow. I feel so discombobulated. I'm like, what's going on? Okay, yeah, so the rest of her video, you guys, she's doing her eyebrows, and she's going to go into her eyeshadow. She does her base before her eyeshadow, and I'm the opposite. I do my eyeshadow and my eyebrows before my base. Okay, that's how you know she's an expert and I'm an amateur. Okay. What else? What else? She didn't spray herself. I mean, I'm sure she's gonna spray herself afterwards. So yeah, this is this is what I got using the TailorMade technique, you guys. Okay. I'm gonna finish the rest of my eyeshadow, and I'm gonna come back with the finished look. So stay tuned. Okay, hi everyone. Thank you so much for sticking with me during my trial of following a TailorMadeJane foundation routine, you guys. This was definitely out of my comfort zone. She is the GOAT, okay, when it comes to makeup, honestly. And I tried to follow it as best as I could. I love how matte my face looks, okay. She powders her face more than I do. And I think that's something I definitely want to take away, is to powder my face more, even though I feel like I do, but she was like really making sure that her face was sitting, okay? So I want to definitely take that. What do you guys think? How do you think I did? Like let's be serious. Be honest with me. How do you think I did? Yeah. Overall, I like the foundation. I think my face, it looks good. It looks good. And it was something fun, you guys. It was something different, something I've never done before, which I've never gotten on camera to like actually follow someone else's routine. If you have any questions, comments, let me know how I did. Leave them down below, you guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate you. All right, and I will see you in another video. All right, take care. Bye.